Society of Wales awards medals to celebrate the depth and quality of research being done in Wales.
Competition this year for our medals was really tight. So for the people that are successful, are winning medalists, then it's a real recognition of the excellence of their work.
Our medals cover all disciplines, from science and technology to the arts and humanities. They are awarded to those who have dedicated their whole lives to their research and to those at the start of their careers.
Oh yeah, it's an incredible and unexpected honour to receive this award tonight. It's just so wonderful because I think it'll really help me to highlight the importance of feminist legal history. I'm absolutely thrilled to have my work recognised so generously by the Learned Society of Wales.
My hope is that with this medal, I want to be able to inspire the new generation of women and young researchers who want to work in what has been a male-dominated field.
My research is all about suicide and self-harm prevention, but also children and young people's mental health. And I think historically, both research and services have been underfunded. So I think awarding someone who researches in this area puts a focus, a real spotlight on young people and how we can ensure they thrive in life.
Research these days, it's collaborative, so it's really interesting to hear what other people have been up to, share ideas, bring stuff together, hopefully give rise to new exciting avenues of research. Yeah, really exciting.
It's very important that Wales does punch above its weight in terms of the impact of research. And of course, what we want to do is not only congratulate the scholars and the medalists, the award winners tonight, but obviously say to them, that you are going to have an influence on the life of people of Wales, the economy of Wales, our education, society, and also obviously not just Welsh government, but government at every level.
Anyone can nominate someone to receive a medal, so if you know a researcher whose work deserves recognition, please let us know.